Hey everyone, I have a little of bad news. This is my D string of a bass and it just broken. Can you see that? How can I make it like a single piece? The problem is that it broke near the headstock, so around here. So I can't just put it on. My idea was to try to compare these parts like this, turn around that little like rod, these rods, and to glue them with this sticky thing. So let's try. Okay, firstly I need to do something with these parts. This is an Elixir stainless steel strings, so I can't have a different one pack of them. They're very expensive. This is my only way to fix it, just to somehow connect these parts. Okay, I think I can like unscrew them a little, then connect the medium parts and turn around these little things then. So I'll try to do it. Okay, I think that's enough. And now, can I just... how can I... like to... I don't know really, but I'll try at least. I think I can just turn it around like something like this. Hope it won't break. How to do that? Okay, that's okay. Next I'll do the same thing with this. Turn it around around again, and okay, looks good. Then I'm doing like how to do this thing. Is it okay? I hope. Nah. Go back. No. Okay. I'll try it again. Very carefully. I'm turning this around. I think what that'll be okay. I hope. Next tail. Open. Just a little bit. I'll make it more like something like this. I think that's okay. Not really wood here in this place, but that's pretty good. Okay, I'm here again. How can I start to do that? Let's try at least. Oh, no. I have to put it, do you know what? Into the bridge. How? This is so, like... will it... Not... Can I move it around? To fit straight in tight. I think I can try, but that won't be easy. Okay, that's the moment of truth. I'll put it inside. Okay, let's turn it on. How does it sound? At least it sounds. Here, I need a phone to tune it, so I'll be back. Okay, that wasn't a good idea. I have tuned it up to D flat, but then this happened. That's very... Okay, I'll try to fix it again. Just, I can go somewhere up to this place, I think. Okay. Here we go again. Okay, that's a little thing, and that's second part. Okay, I'm here again. will it go through the bridge? That's the thing. Yeah, it goes. Okay. Next. How's around here? I can't like use a tuner and a camera on my phone. So this is G now. It's still a lot like I don't know how to say. It's G. This is so scary to tune it. It is like around C now. Not wonky really. It keeps like making some sounds like ting, ting, ting. Yeah. And I'm so scary. I don't think that's really good sounds, but I'll try at least. I can do something else to this string. Okay, the string was making two scary sounds, and this. Can you see that? This like holds on under two small ropes. I'll go for it. Okay, that's a really big medium thing now. I'll do it somehow. Like that. Ooh, so long. Little things. Do you know what I've done? This fat thing. If this won't work, I don't know what to do. I have an idea. When you buy strings, you have to cut some long things to go into tuners. So you can use these things like cuttings to repair your strings if they broke, like something around here. That's a good idea, I think. So I'll try to tune it now. Yeah. And then I think that can't like broke. Okay, I have what to say. It goes like one string is like here and second is like that, and when I tune it, it goes like this, so it breaks. You can see it. This like one thing, and this all was turned around. So I need to somehow this middle string to go like into, I don't know, I'll try to do something. Okay, it can't be bad with this type of connecting. Oh my. I'll do something like that and then turn these things around and through the holes, and I think there's no way to break for the string. Okay, I've finally done my last version of this connecting and I'm ready to tune it. This is normal, like normal tension, and also working. Okay. Yo, hello again. It's a few days later. This string is completely dead. I was trying to replace the NG string because the D string had a little piece after the tuner, so I thought it could like turn around, but it was this scary ding ding sound, so that was too scary. I just don't want to lose my G string, so D is dead. Now I have only 3 strings. Okay, so don't try to like repair a string if you just broke it, or maybe some solder ironing will help, but it's a theme for another video. Goodbye.